So, another postbag. Frankly, I don't understand the guys that hold on to dozens of postbags without opening them and then do one video. I mean, the suspense is killing me. So, this one came from Singapore, and I ordered it via AliExpress, and it was here quite fast. I placed the order on the 5th, and on the 21st it was here. So yeah, no, not even 2.5 weeks. That's quite good. Content is DC converter. I don't know about that. I can't remember anything about it. And value is, oh, come on, focus. Maybe I have to clean the lens. $4.99. Huh. Yeah, and of course, $4.99 green sticker, very important here in Germany. Does not has to go, did not go through customs. Yeah, by airmail. Okay, let's open it and have a peek. Really, I was not expecting DC to DC converters, to be honest. And that doesn't look like DC to DC converters to me. By DC-DC converter from Pro DC to DC com. Okay. Just because it's going around on YouTube. I didn't receive any money from them, and I'm not endorsing them. They just put it into the pack as a surprise. Okay, gotta wait with it. And I'm also not expecting any DC to DC converters, do I? I'm expecting something totally different, in fact. Digit. That's more like it. Digital panel meter. Yeah, you remember I had lately a review and a postbag with digital panel meters from China, and a review, a correction of the review, and yeah, all on some links below, and yeah, and I need them for, and cards of course, and I need them for the rebuild of the power supply. I got it, and yeah, not DC to DC converter, but a display. And does it say anything here? Can you focus? Other way around. Maybe if I zoom. Yeah, now we have it. So this is DC plus minus 200 volts. Okay, that's exactly what I ordered. And the other one, I zoom out in a second again, is DC 10 amps. That's also exactly what I ordered. And oh, look at this. Some real beefy connectors for the current, and of course some real connectors to give it power. Oh, just the other one. It comes also with the connector. That's nice. Let's see. wonderful. Yeah, and if you watch the previous videos, you see these are much bigger than the other ones. Yeah, that's my thumb. They are, I think, 0.56-inch display height, while I have here one of the thingies I already reviewed. These are, I mean, these are 2 rows of digits. This is volts and amps in one little package, and it costs only a few bucks, but I mean the difference. And of course, this is 3-digit, full stop. This is, what do they say, 3½-digit? But it looks to me like 4.5 digits. These are 4.5 digits. Yeah, so comparison. And first, just because I wrongly complained about these snap ends here not working. Let's have a look at these snap ends. Oh, they're working just fine, just like you would expect it. Yeah, you can make these work too, but you have to disassemble the instrument. So let's have just a quick look. Why wouldn't it focus down here anymore? That's really annoying. Give it some time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Maybe something with the lights. I have no idea. So, but the small cheap ones, yeah, cheap ones for a few bucks, and these, the digital ammeter, was 11.54 euros, so about $12, and the digital voltmeter was 10.69 euros, so $11, something like that. And there are other technical differences. I mean, they had a wide range of operating voltage for the voltage supply, DC 4.5 to 30 volts. And these things, they require, I'm sorry, it doesn't say here, accuracy class 0.01 volts, blah blah blah, display digits, yeah, 0.56 inches, working voltage, that's important, 5 volts plus minus 5%. So you have to get, and I really don't know why I can't focus. Ah, okay, there we go. So you have to supply them with 5 volts. That's might be a bummer. Yeah, but less than 100 milliamps. Okay. Resolution, we already talked about that, and they are much bigger. Input impedance 11 mega ohms. That's for instrument and a power supply also okay. Overrange display H. That's nice. High. Operating temperature we don't care about. Blah 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 blah. Power supply polarity protection circuit. Okay, so yeah, I probably won't try that. And here's a picture from the inside, but we will have a look into it in a second. And wiring connections, voltmeter, yeah, power supply, black red, that's simple, measuring voltage, blue and yellow. That's also quite simple, and yeah, that's exactly what we got here. So yeah, seems to match exactly the description. Only thing left is to have a squeeze inside, and let's pry that open. Quite easy. And yeah, here is your multi-turn pot, your processor, stuff, yeah. Everything is nice, and I see it. They simply don't populate it on the voltage regulator. Shaved off a few cents, and that's the reason you have to apply exactly 5 volts for the digital parts, and that's probably the analog to digital converters down here and some other stuff. Yeah, well, I leave that open because in a review I probably want to calibrate it. And where is my ammeter? Let's put that away. Yeah, we already had a look. So the line where the current should get through, it's really nice and beefy. I like that. Power connection. Yeah, let's have a look at the sheet again. We already saw the price. And for those who are hunting for that, both are from Cuckoo's store at AliExpress. 5 diamonds. Wow. The same. Blah, 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 plus minus 10 amps, minus 1050. Again, operating voltage 5 volts plus minus 0.5. This is 5 volts plus minus 0.5. Did I read something else on that one? This is 5 volts plus minus 5%. That's a little difference. A difference between you can be off 0.5 volts or you can be off 0.25 volts. Maybe something to consider. But let's continue with the ammeter. Yo. No need additional shunt, can measure directly. Yeah, that catch my eye. So here again, they forgot the percent or the volts, but operating current less than 100 milliamps, resolution 1 milliamp. That was very important to me. 4½ digits. Input impedance 1 mega ohm. I hope not. For a meter. Measurement rate, yeah, 2 per second, overrate, blah, 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 application. Did I miss something important? Nope. I thought I read somewhere about please use isolated power supply. Okay, that's how it should look in the inside. The power supply part is not populated. Yeah, nothing new here. And the back side with, yeah, small 4-wire connector and external shunt, but yeah, but we should connect the load directly, and they yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, please use the independent power supply. Okay, if the ammeter do not need shunt, please connect to the positive and negative directly. And maybe I get our ohmmeter out, and we just check out if this is a common ground here on both instruments. But first, let that put away and open up the ammeter 2. Look if it really, come on. Sorry, out of frame. Yeah, looks exactly like promised. Again, the voltage regulator here is not populated. And I'm wondering, maybe I populated or not. We'll see. There's a resistor here. But where's the shunt? Where's the fucking shunt? I don't see the shunt. Do you see the shunt? Is that the shunt? For 10 amps? No, it says D5. So where's the fucking shunt? On the other side? No, I'm a little bit suspicious. Okay, I think we need to disassemble that, because I can't see a fucking shunt. Where's the fucking shunt? Yeah, let's see if I have a screwdriver nearby. And get that board out. I mean, for 10 bucks, you could expect that it's all hunky-dory. Ah, look what we have here. The shunt was on the back side between the inputs. Very nice. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, that's a diode 551. And that should be, I guess, the regulator U6, which they didn't populate. These are 0-ohm resistors, all 0-ohm resistors that are, yeah, setting some options on the microprocessor, which of course has been lasered like, oh no, yeah, I can't see any markings on here, but there are markings on there. That's the ST part. Can we read it? Zoom. Yeah, another time, maybe, when I do a full review of these things. Yeah. More jumpers. 220, 200, 2000 F. I guess this is where you can change the decimal point, huh? It's all very nice. I mean, nothing to complain from the build quality. Even the soldering here, which was done by hand, is not too bad. Oh, let's see if I can reassemble the thing. Yep, no problems. Oh, sorry. Zooming out again. Or you might get dizzy. There's one other screw which is already in. And why isn't that screwdriver magnetic? That would be very helpful right now. But it's not. Maybe that one is. No, it's not magnetic. But there are very helpful detents in the case to place the screws. Because I don't know if they have magnetic screwdrivers in China. They probably have. See, there's a little groove and like a chute, and you put the screw in there and it falls into place. That's too cool. Okay, give me a second. I get some multimeter and we test if the measuring inputs and the power inputs have a common ground or not. So I got my trusty old Beckman here, and let's see. Ground. Oh, is it working? Ah, wonderful. Yeah, I switched the beeper off. And yeah, of course, common ground. And the resistance or the impedance of the shunt, yeah, we saw it. Oh, it was over. I have to review the video. I think it was 0.05 ohms. Yeah, within the accuracy of the instruments, but then, yeah, that's just my leads. And I think we'll find the same on the voltmeter. So ground power supply and ground measuring input. Yeah, common ground. Yeah, that's it. That were the very nice and big 4½-digit meters for, yeah, a whopping 11-12 bucks. We'll see if they're worth it. I'll be sure to upload a review soon. Till then, bye.